I bought the rack because I saw it at the Home Depot and it said that it can take 10,000 pounds. Look. How we can make a lot of smoke. I was like, oh, it's perfect. I'm just gonna weld some wheels on it and then I'm gonna put the compressor with the tanks. Compressor's like, I don't know, 500 pounds all the way at the bottom. Empty air tanks at the top, another 200-300 pounds. So like 1,000 pounds maximum. 10,000 is gonna hold for sure. Let's hope that where there's smoke, there's fire, it doesn't apply to this. And now it's a rack for tools because it did not hold the compressor, or it held the compressor and the tanks, but I didn't like the way it was manifesting itself. Every project requires mini projects in order to complete it. And this was exactly one of those projects. Every time a new piece of equipment comes in the shop, like I have an idea of where it should go and how it should be used. You start using it, and then you're like, no, actually it should be shifted, or you should put it on the other side. So yeah, you had a project, a bigger project, but then mini projects along the way. Because moving a piece of equipment, you're gonna have to move some electrical, you're gonna have to move some vent pipes. So there's always projects, always require projects. Like if you look at this one and you take them out and you put them one on top of the other one, this is much shorter, less deep. The carve, the cutout in the cove here is much more inwards. You cannot mess any of them up. If one of them is in the wrong position, it's going to throw everything off. They were random. I had 68 pieces out of 10 sheets, completely random, but with the numbers on them. So you take that random bunch of pieces, you put them in order from 1 to 68, or how many there are in the completed piece. They're different shapes. When you arrange them on the sheet to be cut, you want to be able to nest them as efficiently as possible. Therefore, you cannot put number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the first sheet, then 6, 7. You may be going to put number 1 with number 52, with number 32, with number, because that's how they fit best on the sheet because of the different shapes. And you get the shape that it was designed with. So each piece has a number designated to it in the software. So this is done in Fusion 360. each from number 1 to, let's say this is 68 pieces. There's a number physically, not physically, because it's on the computer, but it is marked on the actual piece. It's carved on it. Then I go at the CNC with the file that has 68 pieces. The CNC knows to nest them, meaning arrange all the pieces on sheets. So it's going to take whatever shape fits best with whatever other shape to maximize the use of that sheet. And then the numbers are stuck to the pieces in the software. So in a way, the CNC doesn't know the number of the piece that it's nesting. It just knows the shape because it wants to maximize the material. Ladies and gentlemen,